Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine, where I will be doing 5 minutes of typing exercise at 25 minutes of CSS tutorial. Okay, very well, fair enough. So here are my timers, and I will here uh, open recent project, and interesting. What did I do? What did I do? Open, manage recent, file, open recent. Manage projects, and this is CSS playground. So I'll open that. That was quite fast. I should use this. And we will start with the typing in here. So the page I'm using is typing.io. That is my weapon of choice so far. And after I will pour my tea, decant my tea, we can start. Here we go. We are drinking black tea from Taiwan, from Sun Moon Lake. And let's get started. Start the time if CB J plus 1 and a filter not to combiner U D this pretty Boolean CB combiner U this filter not to combiner quick CBR till till CB filter combiner. Compared other call BLD, what's that? There you call CV BLD this CV size int aligning CV if is size able per array combiner. Looks like they have a typo in there, to me at least. Ah, crap. Target array, and that would be type, I guess. Like last buff. There. Now array as instance of array any. Bam bam. I target array, but last buff size until minus e last buff set internal size mining otherwise. Here we go. What is the score? Feels good. Feels good. 2%, 41. Okay, nice, 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 nice. It felt faster for some reason. Rolled per array combiner T bag flow targets array any bag buff last VTR array as instance of array bam bam array copy array I target oh whoops 0 until minus I 5 size buff size plus until minus I bag buff filter and we are done. The timer says so. So we will close this and we go to the CSS tutorial and I have well, we will close this guy over here. I will open that and we are going to CSS tutorial. So I will stop the typing timer and I will start the CSS timer. And the next chapter we should continue in is website layout content. Okay, so we are creating something in here, website layout, and it is the content. So we will go there and see. So I will search for layout. Yep, that one. And manage consent. Ah, you went it away. Okay. Manage consent. Agree. And here, if I say this layout, that, and then I say next, 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 next. Well, if I go back and here I say layout, layout, and I have that, and I can press enter, and I'm there. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, so we have some things in here. Header, main menu, and we want the main content, right? That was the content. Okay, so you'll search for content. Yeah, that is good. So we then before finish the menu navigation bar, which was can I do it from memory now? Probably not. Overflow was hidden stuff. I'll go through it again. So we have a 1 column, 2 column, 3 column layout, often used for mobile phones. The second one for tablets and laptops, 3 only for desktops. Okay, we will create a 3 column float left. So that is the column float left with 35. Dot row that after clear floats after the columns. Float left media responsive layout makes the three columns stack on top of each other instead of next to each other on small screen. So that is the... Ah, I see. Media, screen, and maximum width of that, and this is the result. Okay, float left. What will happen if we don't do this? Okay, so we will do content thingy in here. And I will go here, and it is website layout, and inside of that, I guess we will do another HTML, and that will be content. Title will be content, and oh, content, yep. And what I want here is to provide style in here, style, not type. It will be style. Yeah, that one. And we have a column, and we will define float. Float that will be left, and then we will have a width, and that will be 33.33%. Can I do that? I hope so. Okay. So float left 35, float 35, and then this is the responsive layout, which we will not do right now. I will ignore it. And here we have a style, header, top nav, sure, and then we have a column. Oh, we could do it in there. We could do it in previous thing, but we can do it here as well. So we will have a div, I guess. Div class will be column, and here we will have something in it. So it will be, I don't know, like h4 maybe, and inside will be column heading, and here will be paragraph, and here we will be some lorem ipsum, some lorem ipsum. I don't like that. Okay, so we will take you plus one space, copy, paste, 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 paste. Yeah, and I should have been doing that this way. I would be copy it, paste, 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 paste. Now I'm satisfied. Duplicate, 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 and that's it. That's the good way to do it. Do that. And we want three of them, so we'll take you and copy or duplicate, duplicate. Here we go. Okay, I'll delete some of these, and then maybe I don't want to see what's in here. Okay. Uh, okay, let's see how it looks in Chrome. Uh, that kind of works. If I resize it. Okay, I kind of like it. Ah, kind of like how it looks. I think I did it, and then we had some another things which I didn't understand why we have it, and that this Claire floats after the columns. What it will do? I just don't understand. Why is there? Why is that there? If I do another div, and here will be another another thing, and let's do border it, and we will say border 1 pixel solid what was my favorite? Gainsborough, lavender, no, teal. I forgot. Black is it? Okay. So that now I reload, and here I did not provide the thing, and the thing is class in here, and that will be bordered. We'll create a bunch of those, and let's see what happened here. So we have those, and this one is over. Where this came from? Float. So maybe that is why we have it. The thing in there. Row after content display table clear boat. Clear boat was something with the float. And they put row. It's diff inside of diff. Okay, so I'll try to put them inside of diff. So we do that. Cut, paste, organize. Now let's have a look what that does. That doesn't do anything. Okay, so maybe that's why. So that here it will be uh, dot row after, and inside not border. I wanted to do this. It is what I forgot. Clear boat. Clear boat. Save it and see what that will do. And that will do nothing. Okay. So we need to add something more, and display table, content, nothing. Content is okay, necessary. Display table, and here we have, okay, so I will try that, what that will do. And that will do nothing too. Wait a moment, maybe I should here first define the borders too, so it will be, so let's say on a Everything's div. Okay, but I did do it on something afterwards, right? So we'll have here div, and this will be after div, like so, and then here we will have class equals to, and we will put in what I have in IntelliJ, which is bordered. Okay, too much. Oh crap, go back. So I'll delete you, go here and delete that. Okay, bordered, and I will copy the bordered thing, which is right here. Yep, and we put you somewhere in here after the column. Okay, that thing is not beautiful, but works. So let's go. And that did not hit anything. Okay, so that seems to be working. So maybe content, nothing. And that will save me from hell. So row after is now I will say content, and that will be empty thing. And I'll try that, and that did not solve the problem either. It is dot row after, right? So I will go here and verify that, yeah, that's identical. But why this one is... Okay, now it's... Oh my god, I did not include the class here. That will be a row. Yeah, and now it magically will work. Yeah, it does. Okay, so we will find out what those things are doing. So if I do only clear boat, save it, and go here, it goes over. Okay, so that's some trickery. So what about display table? Save it, reloads, and that doesn't do the trick. If I have content and I reload it, that goes there. So what about without those two? I do that, okay, that jams. So what about clear boat? That doesn't do that. And if I have all three, that works. So what about this? Also not. Okay. Weird. Okay, so row after, that will insert something afterwards, I guess. So I do inspect, and I will have a look what is there. And we have border. Then we have the row thing. The row thing is huge. It's everything is inside of there. Body. Oh no, here's the row, and here's after. After is a row here, right here. This, and that. Okay. 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 Oh well, it works somehow. I'm not exactly sure how. But we will continue. So unequal columns. Well, yeah, we will do middle and then uh, max width, and this is when it will be smaller. So unequal is totally. So side will be 25, that's 15, okay. Footer. Footer is placed at the bottom of your page. Contains, okay, so well, we can do that. Background color, that one, I will do gains per text and padding. It's everything. Okay. So we'll do footer. Footer. Well, I can put this inside of the another file which I was, and that was the website layout. Here we go. Now I can put in after the top navigation bar, I can put in the thing I created in here. Just this. And I will paste it in here. Here we go. And I will have a look. I will have a look how it looks. Chrome. And we have that. If I resize it, it will be beautiful. And I will create a footer. Okay, so not there, here. And so I'll go on top. I'll create a footers class selector. This was just, we will say background color, and that will be Gainsborough. And text align will be center. Text align center. Yep. And I don't see anything. That's beautiful. Sys presentation assistant, and that's not it. This one it is, and I want it on the right, I think. What about center? Apply, okay. My mistake. Center right and top. Apply, okay. And now I do white. And it's under that thing. Okay, so that's something I don't want. It's underneath my timers. So what about in the center? How does it look? It should be okay, I think. I can put it there. Okay, so we can go there, and here I will say some padding. Padding, and that will be, let's do 10 pixels. Big pix. So we'll create a footer in here. So it'll be div as well, with class equal to footer. And we say footer here. That will be it. So let's see how it looks in Chrome, of course. Where else? And this is our thing. It is okay-ish. I think they did it differently. Because it's on like bottom. So row after, then we have a footer. If I resize it, okay, so that is just coincidence. It's just coincidence. Okay, that is sitting at bottom. Okay. So we did complete the layout, I think. Responsive website layout. Using some CSS code above, we have created a responsive website layout which varies between 2 columns and full width columns depending on screen width. And that's done. So, and we have only a minute and a half, so I can write what we will continue in next time, and that will be it for this session. So I will go to the MD file. Next thing will be this guy. This, here we go, CSS unit. And I will commit. Now website layout, that is something we completed. Complete. Then I will say something. Here we go. So on top you can see the shortcuts. Bum bum bum. Well, what can you do? You can commit and you can push. 22 seconds. That's right about the time. So push. I might want to do it once again because I don't remember anything from, well, that was this pseudo class. Select our pseudo class, link overactive, and so on. Okay. Well, our timer says that we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.